Well, we're going to clean up and reroute the wiring today. So we hooked everything up yesterday. Solar panel is in. Just got to make a little enclosure outdoor for one of the plugs, so I'll just tidy up. Currently got a massive big cloud over the top of us. Next thing I'll get is a battery monitor so I can see what's coming in, what's going out. Sun should be coming back out in a minute. Here she goes. Good little bit of kit, this Kickass box. Really easy to install. Plenty of auxiliary jacks and bits and pieces in it.